I'm about to show you the biggest mistake that people make when planting California native plants, and it happens before the plant even goes in the ground. So come along with me while I plant this beautiful compact white sage. Timing matters when planting California native plants. The sweet spot is fall through winter, or November through March, when cooler weather lets roots establish before the summer hits. Today I'm planting Salvia apiana compacta, compact white sage. It's a smaller variety of white sage, growing about half the size, which makes it perfect for tighter spaces. This plant loves full sun and thrives in our dry California climate. This society garlic is a great drought-tolerant plant, but it's too close to where the white sage will go. White sage needs space to spread, so I replanted it elsewhere. First, I'm raking back the mulch to see the soil surface. This prevents the single biggest mistake with natives, planting too deep. Before you dig, consider three things: sun exposure, drainage, and mature size. This compact white sage will stay about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, about half the size of a regular white sage, which is why I can plant it closer to this pathway than I would with a full-size variety. I'm digging a hole no deeper than the root ball, but 2 to 3 times wider. Wide holes encourage roots to spread. With natives, shallow is better than deep. They're extremely sensitive to being buried. Here's what might surprise you. No amendments, no compost, no potting mix, nothing added to the hole. And no fertilizer, ever. California native plants evolved in low nutrient soils. Fertilizer causes weak growth, reduces drought tolerance, and shortens their lifespan. Let them adapt to the soil they'll live in. I'll water the hole once before planting. This eliminates dry pockets, especially in sandy soil. Recent rain can make this optional. Gently remove the plant and check the roots. If they're circling tightly, loosen them gently. Minimal disturbance is key. The top of the root ball sits level with or slightly above the surrounding soil. Never bury the crown. This is the #1 reason native plants fail. Backfill with the same soil you removed, firming gently to remove air pockets without compacting. Water slowly and deeply to settle the soil. Even drought-tolerant natives need consistent water during establishment, usually 1 to 2 growing seasons. White sage rewards patience. It needs excellent drainage and full sun. Once established, it's incredibly resilient, but getting there requires proper planting and careful watering in the beginning. What's your favorite benefit of California native plants and why? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like your favorites. Finally, pull the mulch back, keeping it a few inches from the stem. Mulch retains moisture, regulates temperature, and suppresses weeds. Just don't pile it against the plant. Native plants grow slowly at first, but proper planting creates resilient, long-lived landscapes. With patience, they'll reward you for years to come. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out these other videos, and I'll see you next time.